Most people think building a professional website takes weeks of coding or thousands of dollars paid to a designer. But in 2026, that's just not true anymore. Today I'm going to do a bit crazy. I'm building a high-end premium brand website from scratch, completely finished and ready to launch in exactly 30 minutes. We are not using templates that look like they are from 2010. We are using a powered trio of three AI tools to handle the strategy, the visuals and the build. By the end of this video, you will have the exact blueprint to do this for your own business or even start a side hustle building sites for others. So the timer starts now. So we have chosen a coffee brand named Aura Beans, and I have already showed you the home page. And then we have a shop page. When you click on this shop, you will see the list of products which we have along with their pricing, and then you can see the view product, add to cart options, and then the pricing, and then you can also adjust the filters. So when you adjust the filters, you will see the filtered products, and when you click on add to cart, it will add the products into the cart. So when you click here, you can see already two products is already added, and when I'll click on this add to cart, you will see three products have been added, and then you can proceed for checkout. So this is the cart page, then our story, the ritual and the journals page, and you can see how beautiful it is. And then the rituals, and also all of these things you can manage directly from the admin, which we have also. And then you can set up the things like you can purchase the domain, get the professional email, and get found on Google. So and then you have a home page where you can know, you can see set up all the details, and then you have a catalog where you can manage the products which we have seen on the front page. So these are the products which we have already added. You can add a new product, you can edit it, delete it and view it, and you can manage the inventory, categories and a lot of other stuffs. Then you can see the sitemap, site and mobile app stuff, and then you can see the inbox, customer and leads, analytics also. And then you can also see the channels from where the users are, the from where the sales are coming exactly. So all of these things we have generated exactly in 30 minutes. So we will learn in this video. Tool number 2, the brain, that is ChatGPT. The biggest mistake people are making is starting with the design. If you don't have a story, your site is just a collection of pretty boxes. That's why our first tool is ChatGPT. We need a brand, so let's go with Aura Beans, a premium eco-friendly coffee subscription. And watch how I prompt the AI to become my marketing director. So I have given the prompt, I need a complete brand identity for Aura Beans. Give me a luxury mission statement, 3 unique selling points, and a 5-page sitemap including a home, shop and our story page. Keep the tone sophisticated and minimalist. So this is the prompt which I have given to ChatGPT, and what it has returned is, you can see 3 unique selling points which we have asked in prompt. So it has given, first is curated origins, not mass selection, second is minimalist roasting philosophy, and third is luxury beyond the cup. And then we have asked for a 5-page sitemap including a home, shop and our story page. So it has given us the 5-page website sitemap. That is, first is a home page, and the purpose is establish brand mood and emotional connection, and these are the key sections. If you want to modify in your prompt, then you can edit the changes as well as per your needs, but for me it looks good, so we'll keep this. Second page is shop, where the purpose is product discovery without clutter, and these are the key sections which you will find on the shop page. And then the third page is our story, where purpose is build trust through intention, not access. So these are the key sections. Again, you can change the purpose and the key sections as per your needs if it is not as per the expectation, but this is as per the expectation, so I'll keep all of these. The fourth page is the ritual page, and the purpose is elevate the brand into a lifestyle. Key sections are breathing as a mindful practice and others. And fifth and last page is journal. The purpose is brand depth and thoughtful leadership. Key sections, coffee, cluster essays, and others. So this is the data given by ChatGPT after giving this prompt, and we'll use exactly all of this from ChatGPT, which it given to us in our tool number 2. So we'll copy all of these the brain. It's time for the engine, and we are using Wix Vibe. Unlike old builders where you can drag and drop for hours, this is a chat to site technology. And I'm feeding at the sitemap and the brand mission ChatGPT gave us. So this is exactly what ChatGPT gave us, and I have pasted all the details here. And then it starts working on it. It has created the site blueprint, and then if you will look into the steps, it has the generating your website today, and the time is this one. Website launch for Aura Beans, this is the first step. Second is new service component added, header component creation, footer component creation, then router configuration update, then it creates the home page, story page, ritual page, journal page, and the journal article detail page creation, and then router configuration update again, and then the header component updates. And all of these things happen within 15 minutes. So you can see it has generated the complete website for us, and you can change all of these things by doing the edit stuff. So if you want to change this image, you can just add and replace container and everything. If you want to change any other parts, you can do all the changes here, and you can see the admin panel, the dashboard stuff here. And if you are interested in code, you can go here and write the code also. That is Midjourney version 7. A website is only as good as its images. So if you will use generic stock photos, then that will make your website look cheap. So that's why the tool number 3 we are using is Midjourney version 7, and we need a visuals that look like they are created by a professional photo shoot. So I'm going to use a specific prompt style to keep everything consistent. And you can see the prompt is organic coffee beans in a matte black bag, minimalist aesthetic, soft morning light, 8K ultra realistic, and the aspect ratio is 16:9, and which gave us this nice images. So you can see this is first one, this is second, this is third images. So these are the images which we can use in our website. In exactly 30 minutes, we went from nothing to a fully functional high-end brand site. And it is not just for web. It is fully responsive. So it is fully responsive for mobile applications as well. So you can use the website in mobile application as well. So let's recap the workflow. ChatGPT we have used for the strategy, Midjourney for the world-class visuals, and Wix Vibe to bring it all together. But just to confirm, it's not about only using these tools. You can use different tools as well. Instead of Wix Vibe, you can use another website builder tools. There are many AI available, so you can use any of those. And for the image generation, instead of Midjourney version 7, you can use the other tools as well. And ChatGPT, it's free also, so you can use ChatGPT, that's fine. And so see, you don't need to be a coder, you just need to know how to talk to the machines or AI. If you want the exact prompts I used today, I have put them in the description below, and I have also added the front end and back end link into the description. And if you need the complete code, just let me know in the comment and I'll send you personally. Thanks for watching.